In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert currencies on PayPal. So I'm going to show you how you can turn euros into US dollars or Canadian dollars into Australian dollars. You can pretty much convert any currency into another currency. So if you want to do that, keep watching and we'll get started right now. So you want to go to paypal.com and sign into your account. Then at the top, you'll see your dashboard and you'll see all of this, right? You simply want to click on wallet, or you can click on these three dots and then click on, let's see, where is it? Go to PayPal balance. But I prefer clicking on wallet since that's easier to find. You'll then see your PayPal balance, and then you want to find your primary currency or a currency where you at least have some money. So I have 16 euros in my account. I have 0 Canadian dollars and 0 USD. So you want to select a currency that you actually have money with and click on these three dots, and then right there you'll see convert currency. Click on it and it will then say convert euros to. You can then choose. So let's say I want to convert to US dollars. I pretty much select it. You can choose all of these. Click on next. And then right there you can convert, enter the amount that you want to convert. So let's say I want to convert 5 euros. I can then click on next, and it will tell me that that will then turn into $5.25 US dollar cents. Click on convert now, and there you go. You converted $5 to 5.25 USD. So that's how you can convert money on PayPal. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, then make sure you go ahead and leave a like. Let me know in the comments if it works, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.